Lord Vader, set audio levels to full.
Yes, my master.
Alert, Empire plant pot online. Self-diagnostic startup sequence initiated. Checking lights. Self-diagnostics. Central core CPU runs at 41 degrees Celsius. Room temperature is 19 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 21%. Code green. All communication systems are online and working within normal parameters. Alert. Testing soil moisture levels in T-2 seconds. Test 1 of 3. Test 2 of 3. Test 3 of 3. Code green. Moisture levels are acceptable. All systems are functioning within normal parameters. Alert. Code red. Watering protocols will now engage. Water pump engaging. Alert. Moisture levels will now be retested by secondary systems.